in our policy, we are looking at one of the priority areas, which is collaborations and partnerships. We want to establish a framework that actually is able to, we are able to engage our industries in a more structured manner, so that we are able to, have our trainees train in industry and at the same time train in institutions. We are looking at how we can assist each other, how actually the industry can plug in to even look at simulations systems that we can use in the institutions. So when the trainees are in the institutions, they are doing the theoretical part, the simulations, but when they go to the industry, they do more of the practicals, which is actually the real world of skills that we are looking at in this case here.
For now, as a tea industry, we need to partner with the TVET institutions so that we can be able to assist in practical training, curriculum development, to develop a skilled workforce which is ready for the tea industry. Yes.
It is very easy for the industry to identify the kind of person who has adapted so well with their demands. So by sending students to learn in the industry setup, to have that experiential learning in the industry setup, the industry have found it so easy to identify the kind of people they wish to work with. And therefore, our students have found it so difficult to gain employment or to be retained for internship.